Science proves habitual runners have thicker, healthier spines than non-runners. Yet most of you suffer back pain due to a hidden mechanical failure. A landmark study found that the repetitive impact of running actually induces hypertrophy in intervertebral discs. Your back isn't failing because of the pounding pavement. It's failing because of what you do the other 23 hours of the day. Here is the twist nobody talks about: the sitting trap. When you sit all day, your hip flexors adaptively shorten. When you stand up to run, these tight muscles act like a parking brake on your pelvis. Because your hips won't extend, your body compensates by dumping the pelvis forward. To keep your chest up, you are forced to aggressively arch your lower back with every single stride. This is called extension intolerance. You aren't using your glutes to run. You are grinding your facet joints. The result isn't a disc herniation. It's arthritic-like jamming of the posterior spine. Most advice says stretch your back. This is garbage. Your lumbar spine needs stability, not mobility. We use Dr. Stuart McGill's protocol to create a corset of stiffness that locks the spine in neutral. Stop stretching your back and start mobilizing your hips. Use the couch stretch to release the parking brake. However, if you feel electricity shooting down your leg, that is a nerve root compression red flag. Stop running immediately. Fix your hips, stabilize your spine, keep running.